many ways can I say, man, damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no imitation. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation.
I'll be so mountain high, I'm feeling elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, way to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and it's time. I'll be paving my own way, letting no one hold me back. Or talk behind my back, and let's make it toast to never going broke. That's a fact. It's my life, I gotta make the best out of that. Inspired by the fire in my eyes that light up the night.
Nobody got to hold me back. If you're feeling zoned, come on in, let's go.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is a Sunday. It's the end of the weekend, but I got another video for you guys, and it is a very long awaited video. I appreciate you guys being patient, but guess what? It happens today on this video. I'm gonna show you guys the new wheels on my Type R. I don't know if you can see them in the back, but here's the boxes. Raise, Japan Power, officially authentic, seal of authentication right there. Alright, so before we start this video, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. Again, this is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings to everybody. Let's get this video started, y'all. So there it is, you guys. Alright, seal of authentication right there. Just so you guys know that it is official. These are 18 by 9.5, 38 offset. It'll be running on 265, 35, 18 Advan tires, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. And also, to top things off, I'm still going to be getting the center caps from Raise. They're obviously going to be authentic, but right now I just don't want to spend $240. So we're going to rock without the center caps for a little bit, see how it plays out. But honestly, I'm going to end up getting them anyway because I think it's going to look so much better. But right now, they look superior, bro. Like, straight up, they look awesome, high quality. All right, enough talk. Let me show you guys those wheels. Here we go. All right, moment of truth. It's very bright out today, and I'm gonna get up there close so you guys can see it. There they are. CE 28's, Black Edition, Dark Gunmetal Club Racer 2s. Again, they're 18 by 9.5 with a 38 offset on 265, 35, 18 Advan tires. As you guys know, my previous subscribers, new subscribers now, I am lowered on H&R springs, which is 0.8 inch in the front and 0.8 inch in the rear. God, I can't even talk right now. It's so freaking hot out. Oh, look at that, yo. You guys tell me what you think. You like these better than the Vivid Racing Rush Gold? I think it really brings out the carbon fiber more. You guys tell me what you think in the comments. We'll do a walk around here on the other side. This is just going to be a short video. I'm showing you guys just the wheels on this one. And we got more content on the way. So this is one of the shorter videos. Let's here. Alright, just going around. Kind of windy. Trying to keep the camera stable here. It's windy. Man. Yeah, there we go. That's the front. Also, you guys, in the rear, I do have the skunk tube rear camber arms in anodized gold, but there is no alignment done yet as it wasn't needed. Honestly, look at you guys, they just fit like a glove. I mean, there's some shops that'll tell you they don't fit. Well, I'm here to tell you that they do. at least on my setup in H&Rs. I'm not sure about other springs, I can't speak on those, but let's come back here a little bit. Right there. Sorry, shaking the camera, guys, right there. So there is a little bit of gap left, but honestly, it's seriously just enough, because you can pull it out here a little more. Yeah. So tell me what you guys think. I'm sorry it's super bright out, it's very windy right now, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea and show you on video what the wheels look like up close. I am gonna get the center caps for sure eventually, and then the lugs are R14 with locks, Iconics. All right, so yeah, let's see here. Okay, there's a better view. I just love it. I mean, we're literally like right here. So there's probably about, I would say, maybe about 1.7 inches right there. I would have to measure it, but man, they be shining, yo. Straight up, the carbon fiber offsets with that. The black smoke right here on the lens, on the tail light, excuse me, offsets with that. The red caps, I'm not putting stickers on this. I really like the dark gunmetal look. The front, yeah. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Give me your positive feedback, negative feedback. Either one is fine. Do you like the brushed gold more with the SGP color, or do you think these fit the bill more? Let me know, y'all. And with all that being said, thank you guys. There's another video. Showed you guys the new CE28's. I think it really is bringing out my Type R to its fullest potential. And keep in mind, we got the MHI turbo build coming up. I eventually am going to have to do that because I do want more power in this. I want a reliable tune, but I want that more consistent power, you know, through the whole power band. So gonna do that. Probably gonna do like a Various front bumper or some kind of side skirts, probably side bin right there to get rid of the fake carbon fiber. But other than that, you guys, we're about 80% done on this project. So we'll see what comes up next. I'm never getting rid of this car. I love it too much. I think it's a prized gem possession. And yeah. All right, you guys. Love you. Until next time, Skylyfe Projects. Stay tuned. We got more coming up. Bye, guys.